guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know, today I am going to review and swatch this Just Herbs Ayurvedic lipsticks. Now they have launched 16 shades and they have sent me all the 16 shades. Yes, I will be including all the swatches at the end of this video, but let's start with the review. So let's get started. Now coming to the lipsticks, as I mentioned, they have sent me all the 16 shades and let's start with the packaging first. So this comes in a cardboard packaging like this. It has mentioned all the information about the lipstick. So this is the Just Herbs Herb Enriched Ayurvedic lipstick. It is a crowd-sourced product made in India. Now the price for this is 745 and you get 4.20 gram product. Now when you open it like this, it has all the information about the product details. Like this has no silicones, no fill formers, parabens or lead or any other heavy metals. Now they have also included their key ingredients and other ingredient list in this packaging. And now coming to the actual lipstick packaging, this is how the packaging looks like. As you can see, feels and looks very luxurious, and it's quite lightweight. I thought this will be very heavy, but it's quite lightweight, so travel friendly of course. Now coming to the lipstick, this is how it opens. It does not have any magnetic closure. The packaging is very sturdy and this is how the product looks like. I mean the lipstick bullet looks like. Coming to the texture, it has a very creamy and smooth texture. It just glides on very easily. Let me just swatch this. So here you can see it just glides on very easily and these are amazingly pigmented. Few things I want to mention is this is not a lightweight lipstick. It is not matte as well, and this dust transfers a little bit. Coming to the shade range, they have 16 shades and all the shades are so different. They have nudes, they have different brown nudes like light, medium, dark brown nudes. They have orange, they have red, pinks, mauves, and such stunning shades, you guys. If you want matte, then you can definitely apply a little bit of powder. Let me just quickly show you that. Now if you are a matte lover like me, what you can do is take a little bit of powder and just pat it on the lips. See? Matte lipstick. Also guys, I wanted to mention that these lipsticks are also named after all the real women. Now I really like this shade range and the lipstick formula. It just glides on easily and nice pigmentation as well. So I really like this. And now let's just jump into the swatches. Now coming to my favorite shade range, as you saw on the swatches, the ones I loved, I was kissing them. And now coming to my most favorite from this range is these two. This is 06 SERIN. It's a burnt red shade, and this is number 12 AAKSHI, which is a medium nude brown. These two are my favorite shades. First of all, I will definitely mention their product details down in the description box below with their links. Don't forget to check that out and let me know which shade you like the most and want to try in the comment section below. So give this video a big thumbs up if you find this video helpful and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe for more such lip swatching videos, makeup tutorials, reviews and many more. So yeah, that is it. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.